We are at the Lakewood Park Branch Library and I'm doing a class on social media. The social media class is just the basics, so you want to know about Facebook or Snapchat. I'm just going to go over what it is and what it's for. This is important for the people because they want to know how to use these things. We're in a modern age now. So for them to know more about, things that go on the internet, it's better for them so that they don't have to feel, not confident in technology needs. I have a patron, she comes in, her grandchildren use Snapchat and that's how they communicate with her every morning. So it's just a little blurb saying, hey grandma, good morning, love you. And she wants to know more of what to do and how to respond to her grandkids so that, she has a better knowledge of, not having to search through and troubleshoot and all sorts of stuff. So at Lakewood Park Branch Library, we're always offering classes on Fridays. I do one-on-one appointments with patrons, and all of our services here are free, come as you are, and we're not afraid to help you guys out. That's our job.